Bam! Tire pliers. What are these for? Let's dig into it.
Tire pressure and time can bind tire beds to the rim, making removal difficult. Tire pliers are especially useful for anti-puncture tires or tubeless setups. Once tire beds have been fully unbounded with the rim, tire setter pliers can be used to remove the tire from the rim, which is especially useful for hard flanges tires such as anti-puncture tires or tubeless tires. Unior's tire setters are made from hardened, tempered, drop-forged chrome vanadium. They are chrome-plated to comply with EN 12540. The pliers feature ergonomic, heavy-duty, double-dip plastic handles. The long handles provide great leverage power, making unbounding and tire removal easy. The long concave tips prevent tube puncturing as well as tire side wall damages. Finally, these pliers are width adjustable to be used with more standard tire width sizes.
Surprising tool, isn't it? I hope this video was useful to you, and if you liked it, let us know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.